One such incident happened in 1962 involving a midwife named Peggy Vincent, who at the time was a nursing student here at Duke University. One day, Peggy found herself attending to a 22-year-old African-American woman named Zelda, who was in labor with her third child and did not want pain medication. At first, Peggy did not understand Zelda's insistence on not being drugged. But after hearing Zelda's thoughts and her story, Peggy soon came to appreciate Zelda's way. The white male physician attending to Zelda's birth, however, had no such interest in hearing Zelda's thoughts or requests. When it came time to deliver the baby, the physician insisted on anesthetizing Zelda, who resisted with all her might, even while the physician held the gas mask onto her face. In the midst of this struggle, the physician literally wrestled with Zelda and said, taking the Lord's name in vain, "Jesus Christ, why do we let these women breed?" Despite the trauma of these events, Zelda managed to successfully remain awake and deliver her baby. But even once the baby was born, the physician kept forcing the gas mask on Zelda's face. Peggy recalled the incident, saying, "Zelda realized he was determined to knock her out, no matter what, and she went wild again, tossing her head and making strangled sounds from beneath the cushioned mask. She kicked and bucked with every ounce of her strength, but succeeded only in rattling the delivery table till I feared the bolts would shake loose." Zelda's struggle eventually ended in her being sedated, even before she had the opportunity to learn the gender of her baby. These women remain the women who have the highest infant mortality rates and nearly 3 to 4 times higher maternal mortality rates compared to white women in the United States, and this is despite class or educational background.